Hey, hit that like button and subscribe to the Sinks a Lot channel. Thank you very much. We recently finished up this septic system at the cabin site, and now I'm going to put a bunch of rocks up against the side here, kind of hold the hillside and keep traffic from maybe running up and over the tank. Right next to where our septic tank is sitting is one of our loop driveways that go up and around the house, make it easy to get in and out with trailers and what have you. And so the rocks will help give some protection to the side of that tank. And it also, we get them stacked up high enough. If a tree were to fall on that, then that'll help keep the septic tank from getting damaged. If a big enough tree would fall on it, it could break the tank. And right now all I have up at the cabin is our little Yanmar excavator. So initially we're going to collect a few rocks that are close and bring up here and put them down, and then we'll try to push them up and stack them up later. Down on the other driveway we have quite a few rocks hidden in the weeds out there. They make good rocks to stack up there on the side of that septic tank. We also want to extend that rock wall up to the corner of the cabin there, just kind of protect that corner post that holds that shed roof up, which is a good idea. Some crazy drunk driver up there might miss that corner, you never know. We have a dirt berm down there from when we excavated for the cabin initially, and we're going to add some more cover to the tank and try to get a little bit of dirt down in those rocks as well, kind of hold them. And get enough dirt on top of that tank, then that gives it a lot more protection, not only from falling trees and that sort of thing, but even from the winter weather up here. This elevation is 9,300 feet above sea level. So it's pretty high up in the mountains. Stacking these rocks up here would be a lot easier if I had a thumb on the excavator, and that's going to come in time, but right now we just deal with what we have and hope for the best. a lot of the rocks were getting far enough away from our septic tank that we decided to take the equipment trailer down there and start loading up the equipment trailer with the rocks. Not quite as convenient as a dump trailer or dump truck, but it works really well. So after 2-3 loads of rocks on that trailer like that, had pretty much enough rock up there to do what we wanted to between the corner post on the shed roof and down alongside the septic tank. So ended up with a pretty good rock wall there. I'd like to do a little more to it maybe next spring, but right now it's good enough.